We call anything that happened before the invention of writing prehistory. Historians divide prehistory into two periods, depending on the type of materials used in those times. These are the Stone Age and the Metal Age. We then divide each age into three different periods. The first period of the Stone Age was the Paleolithic period. This was the beginning of human history. People were hunters and gatherers. There were nomads and lived in caves or huts built with natural materials, and people learned how to use fire. Next was the Mesolithic period. This was a period of transition between Paleolithic and the Neolithic period. It was a gradual process. The Neolithic period was the beginning of sedentary life. People cultivated crops and domesticated animals. Villages formed near sources of water. Farming tools were made of stone and wood, and people made pottery for storage. The Metal Age is divided into the Copper Age, the Bronze Age, and the Iron Age. During the Copper Age, the discovery of copper and how to melt it resulted in stronger weapons and tools. People divided up tasks in their communities, such as farmers and metal workers. In the Bronze Age, people learned how to melt and shape bronze. Their tools and weapons were even stronger. During the Iron Age, harder and better quality weapons and tools were made using iron. Gold and silver were used to make coins and jewellery. Owning metal showed a higher level of wealth, and larger settlements of houses with large hill forts were built for protection. There were two different methods used to make weapons. In the first, metal was heated in the oven, then it was hit with a hammer to create the weapon or another utensil. In the other process, metal was heated and melted, then it was poured into a mould. When the metal cools, the weapon is ready to be used.